Marcela, hope you're well. Today we are going to do a beautiful hairstyle, just doing basic braids, and it can be worn every day. We're going to do a waterfall braid, so take a piece of hair over the ear, split it into 3 sections, and now cross the strand over the middle, again over the middle. Now we're going to add hair. Okay, add hair to this strand and now cross it over the middle one. Now leave this strand out and we're going to take a very tiny piece of hair to replace it and cross it over the middle. Okay, again, add hair from the top to this strand and cross it over the middle one. Leave this piece out and take a tiny piece of hair and cross it over the middle. And again, add hair from the top to the next strand. Okay, this braid is so repetitive, we're going to keep braiding until we are on the other side of the head. And we have to braid in diagonal way to finish the braid just behind the ear. Now we're going to do a fishtail braid, so take a piece of hair just down below the other braid. Now split it into 2 sections and we're going to take a tiny piece from here and pass it to the other strand. Okay, now take a tiny piece of hair, pass it to the other side and do the same thing, but this time we're going to add hair, including the strand that we left out above. Okay, now take a piece of hair, pass it to the other side, and now add hair from the bottom side. Again, pass to the other side a tiny piece of hair and add hair. Again, take a piece of hair, pass it to the other side, and we're going to add hair. Okay, now keep braiding, doing the same steps over and over and over again until you finish adding all the hair. When we are here, finish the braid with the remaining hair and hold it with an elastic band at the end. To finish the hairstyle, we're going to pancake the braid, pulling it just from the sides to make it a little bigger. And this is the result. Looks really pretty. Look how these braids match perfectly. Thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. See you next week. Bye guys.